Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Do It for the Culture wins the Red Bull Culture Clash 2019. The clash, which was held in Jamaica for the first time, saw patrons out in their numbers at the national arena representing for their favorite crews. The clash featured 4 crews: Ramesh Entertainment led by Ramesh, Ding Dong, TJ, and selectors Bada Bling, Ansman, Bishop Escobar, Chrome, and Liquid. The crew won round 1 with hot dancehall dubs from Kimar Haikon, Lali, Ayactane, and DeMarco.
Ramesh there, forward. See me, I be a garrison youth that run him. See Ding Dong there over the same live. Him live a Portmore, me live smack in the middle of half a tree. All get up, brother, put up your hand! Me love Jamaica.
Strike Force, led by Governor and Jada Kingdom, was supported by Chromatic Sound and Firelinks. The team showed off their versatility by pulling on Jamaican gospel tracks and a dub from Soca star Bunji Garlin, plus a few dancehall dubs.
What about them know about clash culture? Them not know that Jamaica put God above everything. You know, so right now we have to bless the place. Every day, I go. Hey! Oh, we have some.
Now, Do It for the Culture came prepared for the clash as they battled with a collection of dub plates from Elephant Man, Caputon, Chronix, Damien Jr. Gong Marley, Busta Rhymes, Supercat, and Marcia Griffiths. The crew featured Grammy Award-winning music producer Salam Remy, dancehall superstar Spragga Benz, Just Snowco, and legendary selectors Jack Scorpio and Disco Neil, and popular radio disc jock DJ Bambino. Now, the international crew Rhythm Stream Plata got a few chairs with dubs from Tobago's Kez the Band. Now, in the final round, dubbed the Decider, it saw the crews bringing out their surprise guest acts. Team Ramesh had appearances from their own artists, TJ and Shensia, while Team Strike Force thrilled the audience with support from 4th Gen artist Idonia, Munga Honorable, Jada Kingdom, and Governor. Rhythm Stream Plata pulled dubs from some Afrobeat's leading voices like Davido and Burna Boy and drew for their secret weapon, Styler G, who touched down on the big stage. Now, Do It for the Culture showed off their creativity with a burial plot video of the competitors at Dovecot Memorial Park. The clash came to an exciting end with Culture and the Strike Force tied on 2 points each. Now get this, during the tiebreaker, Strike Force played a song which was already played in a prior round, which caused the crew to be disqualified. Do It for the Culture was crowned the Red Bull Culture Clash winner for 2019. Dancehall artist and movie star Spragga Benz is happy that his team won the clash.
It's a good feeling because we put in the work. We never sleep last night. We stayed up the whole night mixing dubs and all sort of thing, you know. For the last couple of weeks, we have fine artists worldwide. Make sure so we present the thing in a respectful way.
They definitely did it for the culture. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.